In 2016, the Galaxy Note 7, along with a lot of other Samsung devices, is features packed. The Galaxy Note 7 is no exception. It has a lot of features, a lot of things that you can do. But unfortunately, it comes with a caveat, which is the Samsung lag, also with battery drain. So today, guys, I'm going to talk about it a little bit, and I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to fix some of those issues with this TouchWiz lag, along with fixing some of your battery issues. So get your popcorn ready and follow me on this journey. Let's go. All right, guys, this is Eric again with another video. So today I got both of my Galaxy Note 7s, right? I got my silver one here, as you can tell, and I got my core blue one here, as you can tell. Okay, so I got my core blue and I have my silver one, right? One of the biggest issues that a lot of people is now starting to see after the device been out for about a week and a half is lag. If you already own a Samsung device, you already know about this lag issue, right? So this device right here has not been altered, but I've altered this device, right? So let's look at some things that you may be witnessing with your device. So I'm gonna just go scroll through the UI, right? So we scroll through the UI, look at that. You see how one device is faster than the other, right? So one device is faster than the other, yeah. So when you go to stuff like settings, right? So let's go to settings, and you go see that one device is gonna open up settings a lot better. So you see that, right? And when you hit the home screen, one device is a lot faster than the other one. And even when you go to your apps, hit your social media, one device is going to open up faster, right? So how do you fix this, Eric? What is the issue? Why this phone battery drains a lot faster than this phone? Well, we're going to fix that today. First thing you want to do to kind of make your UI faster, you want to go to settings, okay? And I've done this on both devices, but I want to show you this. Go to your general, and you notice how fast this device is compared to this device. When you go to general, you want to scroll down to your build number. All right, you got to become a developer. So y'all guys that have been dealing with this for a long time, you already know this is nothing new. So you hit the developer option, and you're already a developer, right? You hit it about 6 times. All right, so let's go back. Let's go to developers options, and I'm gonna show you the way I do it on this device compared to this device. So what I usually do, and this is what I do all the time here, I go to animation scale right there. All right, so my animation scale on this device is all zeros, all turned off, and on this device it's stock at 1 times the scale. So I turn off the animations. So what that does is it make you go through the UI a lot faster. All right, so that fixes some of the issues with the UI. So when you click on the home button, booyah, it works pretty fast. And that works throughout the UI. In actuality, you see some apps open a lot faster. So when you're going through the UI, you see how fast the device is, right? So that helps out a whole lot. Now, the second thing that helps out with speed and with battery life is stopping, disabling some of the services that's working in the background. One of the apps that I use to fix some of these issues is an app called Package Disabler. And it's actually for, if you go into the App Store, and let's go to the App Store so you can see this. It has Samsung name on it because I guess it's a very, very known product to help in this situation. And again, some of y'all guys already probably know about this. So we gonna go to the App Store, and I want y'all guys to see this, which is the one I use. It's called Package Disabler. Right there, it's already installed, and it says Pro Plus Samsung. And yes, it does cause a buck and some change. But this is the app I use to fix some of the battery issues and some of the RAM management issues with this device. What this does is it gets rid of some of the bloatware, and there's no root required. So let's go ahead and go into the app. so I can show y'all guys some of the things I did. So when you open up the app and you see the hamburger bar up top, now you could disable all bloatware. All right, and believe me, it's a lot of bloatware running in the background for this device. Some bloatware that you need and some bloatware you don't need. But I did not disable all bloatware because there's some things I need. So basically, guys, if you look at the bottom here, I want to show you guys this. If you look at the bottom here, this is the RAM that it's using. All right, 3.5 gigs. Look like 3.5 gigs of RAM that's being used, and right now I'm saving about 1 gig of RAM, so that's why I have a lot of RAM available. So some of the things, and this is the stuff that's running in the background. All right, and this is why you have all this lagginess and stuff with the software with TouchWiz here. Okay, so basically what I did was I went and I disabled a lot of stuff that was bogging down my device. I mean, stuff like the clock, which I use. You do have some things like Gear VR and stuff like that. That's stuff that's running in the background. And these are the things, if you're not using it, then disable it. Now, you don't really need the app to do this. You can go to every app to disable each one, but I found this was a little easier. And so like right here, Gear VR, Gear Setup, Gear Shell, Gear 360 Editor, Glance. These are things that I just don't use. Now I'm using a different mail client, so I disabled the mail because I'm not using the stock mail here. I'm using BlackBerry Hub. So some of these things here, I just don't use. I mean, think about it. If you're not a gamer, you can turn off Google Games, Play Movies, Google Play. I mean, all these things could be disabled. And what this does is this save you a whole lot of battery life, and it makes your device run faster. There you go. This is Eric from Eazy Computer Solutions. If you have any questions down below, let me know what you think about this. Guys, just kind of running through it myself and having some fun with it, and seeing some things that help with the Galaxy Note 7, and I'm getting very good battery life. Also, I'm not getting that TouchWiz lag. If you look at that, look how fast my UI is running. As soon as I hit things, I mean, it's running pretty fast. And then when you're going through everything, look at it, it's running pretty sweet, pretty fast, and no issues there. So this, what I just showed you guys, almost guarantee that you feel comfortable with the Galaxy Note 7. This is Eric from Eazy Computer Solutions. Leave your comments down below. Let me know what you think about this good Galaxy Note 7. See you guys on the next video. Peace.